we'll be discussing on the topic how to kickstart affiliate marketing. We all know that this is the age of information, and with information, it all started with the technological adoption that we have. The number of users of mobile phones, customers have increased, and directly or indirectly, we have good internet coverage with that. And from the last 2 years, as per the research, it was found that 23% increase in terms of mobile phones and the rate of internet users in India. So when we see that we have a device in our hands or in any platform, that too in comparison to other countries at a very cheaper cost. In India, no doubt, we do not have a good network in comparison to qualitative network in comparison to other countries. But we can say that we have the cheapest price in terms of the facilities that we get. So here starts an opportunity that when more and more consumers, more and more users, participants will have a facility to of this mobile and internet, then here comes new ideas will evolve and new businesses will evolve. And among them, the most widest is this affiliate marketing. So traditionally, I remember whenever I go to Mumbai or Delhi and I just get down from a station, I find so many people will come and make appeal to me to get their auto rickshaw or car. The reason is that they will pick me not because the fare that I give to them, because of the transportation, because anyone coming out of the station means he or she, if he's an outsider, he will stay in a hotel. So their most intention is that they will take us, and on the way they will ask us which hotel we would like to prefer. They will discuss so many activities, and end of the day, they will pick. They will suggest us that these hotels are good in terms of quality or in terms of price, and they will take us there. And in return, they will get some kind of commission. So that commission is available there. But today, when we used to go to Bangalore or we go to Puri, already we book our tickets through Make. I get down from railway station today, so I know that maybe there is always a threat that somebody is looting me, making me a fool, maybe is picking me to a wrong hotel. So beforehand, because I have the internet, because I know the sources now, so I pre-plannedly book my ticket and I go. But today, you see, these agents are not getting. So whenever somebody will ask you, sir, where you would like to go? Sir, I would like to go to that hotel. Sir, are you planning for a hotel? No, already it is booked. So where is the commission now? See, when internet is developing, when something is coming down, this commission is evolving. So getting this commission directly or indirectly through some kind of internet device or use of devices is nothing but affiliate marketing. So let me introduce. Kaushik, the slides are changing.
Yes, sir.
Does the slide is changing, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So what is affiliate marketing here? Affiliate marketing is process of promoting and selling another company's product or services for a commission. So, for example, I want to purchase a laptop. So, with all my research that I have identified, taken review of many of the people, then finally I purchase some kind of product. So, I have writing my review of that product about my expectations and what is the output that I have received in an online platform. Then if the same expectations I'm getting so much of questions, so I thought that why not I will associate with the place where I have brought. For example, I have brought from Amazon, and I find that my Amazon is persuading me to write reviews. So I have given a honest review. the Amazon is happy with the information that I am giving because people are related to me. So in turn, I become an affiliate. From there, I get an idea that why don't I become an affiliate of Amazon, so that I will get some kind of commission because of that review that I provide. So here, what the very concept is that I am promoting and selling some company's product or services. The basic reason is that for a commission. Here, affiliate means he will just promote the product. He doesn't develop the product. He doesn't go with this service center. He doesn't go with some kind of branding, packaging of the product. Just he will write the content, and through some kind of channel, he will try to promote the product in some other way through internet as its core. So affiliate marketing simply means you sell someone's else product for money or some kind of commission. So someone who does affiliate marketing is a salesperson of an outside company. So the company is also thinking of different flavors. So if it is a new company, you have to recruit a salesperson and you have to go through in this online age, what kind of thing you have to pay him salary, and this is lots of expenses are there. But here with the turn of internet in everyone's hand, the one who is interested, he can be a salesman outside of the company. There is no need to the company. There is no need to pay any kind of remuneration or salary, but we can categorize his remuneration through some kind of commission if the product is sold or promoted properly. In details, we'll be going in the next slides. So as a salesperson, the affiliate marketer never carries any of the product himself. Sometimes he is very strong in that area. That means it is his passion. For example, I'm a good photographer that I will purchase and make a review of it. But sometimes as I'm an expertise in that area, I can guess and I feel that, okay, these are the technical things are there and I can convey my thoughts or can share my review about the product or the services. So here, affiliator, he sends people to the company. So I do not have to develop the product. I do not have to do some kind of other packaging of the product or services of the product. I don't want to see with the research and development of the product. Rather, I just send people to the company so that if the people will purchase some kind of product or services, then I will receive a percentage of sale. So it is not that if anyone wants to ask me any question in between, you are free to ask and make it an interactive session. Not that I'm not so big learned person that you have to wait for that question hour session. In between, if you have any questions which comes to your mind, I request my participants to unmute yourself and you can ask me the questions. So what are the different types of affiliate marketing then? So maybe we can create a website, and in that website we'll put some kind of product details and which will help the company to get associated use. It is not that you like some products and you will just develop a website and put details of it and the company will pay you. That company should have a facility of affiliate. That means directly or indirectly, the company should have an affiliate program. In that program, it says that if your product are sold, then he or she will give a commission. And each and every company, terms and norms are different. So basically, when you want to start some kind of affiliate process, you have to check the details of terms of use carefully. And it is quite different for each and every company that you export. So when people click on that unique link that is created of that product that you want to review, then the company knows that yes, it is come from your website. So then these people, when they buy something of the link that you have created, then you will get a certain percentage as a commission. The percentage varies from 10%, 5%, 1%, 50%, 60% is also available. Based on the nature of the product and the demand of the product, it varies from product to product. So how does affiliate marketing work then? By simply making a website and writing a review, does it work? No. So there is a seller who creates an affiliate program, like Amazon says that, okay, I have an affiliate program. Let you promote our product. If my products get sold, I will give you a commission. So you have to carefully see that the product that you want to review, the product that you want to promote, that company should have this affiliate program. So, and provides the affiliate marketers with a unique link. So if I want to aspire for that program, then I will create my ID and password in there. Then I be a member of that. I have to specify whether I have to promote what kind of products. For example, I love cycling, so I am expertise in cycling. Then I have to tell that I have to riding cycle category. So in that cycle category, you have to specify which cycles would you like to promote. Let's say maybe some company 3 or 4 that models that, so that each and every model will have a unique link. And if people, and that unique link you will promote through your website or blog or Facebook, Twitter, social media, anywhere. If the consumer is pressing this unique link and purchasing your products and services, then you will get some kind of commission. So this point to be stressed, that the links are unique to each affiliate marketer. So it is easy to track who made the sale. So if for a particular product you are creating a link, so that link is unique for that product or for that company only. So wherever you put that link in any kind of channel or any kind of sources, if somebody is going through that link, that means the company will identify that, okay, this client or this lead that I have achieved due to so and so person. So that kind of database, that kind of software is available. It may be, you can say, so they can crack from which lead they have got the information. So how does this affiliate market work? So when someone clicks the affiliate link, a cookie is stored in his browser. What's a cookie? Cookie is a software. So it is inclined as a text or some kind of command. So in the last session, we have learned the technical aspects of it. It comes with a file or some link. So when this cookie lets the seller know who sold this product, then the affiliate earns a commission. So each and every link, there is a cookie. So that cookie is a software or a program which gives information that which system was used, which browser was used, the browser is in which one's name, who is leading the website. All information will be directly or indirectly going through that parent affiliate company through this cookie or a program. So cookies does an expiration date. For example, every day these cookies are created and depends upon the expiry date of a affiliate link. Some links have, for example, a cookie is created for today. So Amazon, you see, Amazon has a 24 hours expiry date. And there is some financial product which have 180 days expiry date. Today, if I create a blog and I create a link and that cookie that is created, that is I have 24 hours expiry date. So today, if I click Amazon and I just browse the product, but I do not purchase the product, end of the day, within 24 hours, if I purchase again into Amazon or I go and I purchase within 24 hours, that means I will get a commission. And if it is more than 24 hours, then Amazon is not going to pay. But some other affiliate programs, different programs have different expiry date. as I told you, the highest is 180 days and the lowest is I think 4 to 5 hours. So in detail, I will be giving examples in the end of my class. So how does this affiliate marketing work? When someone clicks the affiliate link, a cookie is stored on this browser. And the cookie lets the seller know who sold the product and let the affiliate earn a commission, even if the person clicking the link decides not to buy right now. Not to buy right now means, as I told you, not immediately by clicking the link you have to purchase. You can purchase till that cookie get expired. You get the link till that cookie gets expired. Any questions?
Yes, sir. I have a question, sir.
Yes.
So suppose I am doing affiliate marketing for Amazon. So I created a link and just share the link through social media, and someone click that link and open the link and just look the price, then leave that page, then go to the Amazon site and search for that product. Then I will get commission for that if he will buy the product from the Amazon site, not from my affiliate link.
I got it.
He opened my link, then I will get my commission or not, sir?
No, it depends upon the nature of the company. If the example that you have cited is of Amazon, Amazon has a plan. In my slide that I have given, which I will explain later, but as you are asking, I am telling, Amazon has a plan of 24 hours expiry. For example, as you told that for browsing, you have clicked the link in the morning, say 10 o'clock. So each time a new customer will come to the link, it will generate 24 hours for expiry of that order. Because Amazon is selling mostly physical products. So Amazon is a big company and it do not have that much of a problem in selling the goods. So that's why the duration of the cookie that they have given is only 1 hour. So let's say, sorry, 1 hour, I'm sorry, it is 1 day. So if you purchase that product within that 1 day of that, you may directly go to the Amazon without clicking the link. Again, once for the first time, you have to click the link. But next time you directly go to the Amazon and you directly purchase in Amazon site also, till 24 hours, wherever you purchase in that Amazon site, then you will get a commission. And if you purchase the other day without click the link, then you may not get the commission. It is with respective to Amazon. But again, Flipkart has a different policy. Financial sites have a different policy.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Is it okay, Rajesh?
Yes, sir.
Did you get or you did not get?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. So how does affiliate market work? Let's say you have clicked an affiliate link that has a 30-day cookie. Let's say a company is there where the link is generated. The link is same, but every time a new customer will click on it, a cookie will be developed. And the affiliate company is here telling is that the expiry date for that cookie is 30 days. Then a few days later, you go back and end up completing. That means today you browse it and you take 29 days to decide, no problem. But end of that 30th day, if you are purchasing that product, that means that that customer, once he clicks, his ID, password, his computer is getting recorded. So even if you directly go to the website and you purchase within that 30 days duration in any other sources, that means directly or indirectly you are getting credit for the purchase he has done. But if he is using another affiliate link, then you may not get the sales. So that you have to keep in mind. So if you are using, if he or she is using your site as an affiliate link, so it is valid for 30 days. So within that duration, if he can directly go to the website and purchase the product, then you will get a commission. If he clicks your link and getting purchased that product within 30 days, then you will get a commission. But if he is going to another company's affiliate link and he purchases the product, you won't get the commission. And again, it varies from companies to company. Some company gives commission, even if some big products like you see insurance product, from where did you get? They are giving some kind of packages. The first company 40%, second affiliate 20%. Like that, there are some proportions that I will explain you in the coming slides. So who are the key players? Just introduction I am giving here now. Who are the key players? Players are three. One is the affiliate company, the people who promotes the product. Who is the seller? The seller who created or are selling the product. So affiliate is the promoter, seller is the product developer, consumer is the end user. So affiliate promotes seller's product, affiliate gives customer to the sellers. If products and services of the sellers are sold, the seller company will give a commission to affiliate. Why consumers will go to affiliates? Because they will get information. Today, if I am buying a touchpad laptop, let's say, I have no information. So I will be searching for affiliate sites who will give me videos, informations, reviews about that product that I am intended to purchase. So that's why the consumers nowadays in this internet age, they will go to the affiliate sites to get all this information of the products and services they will. And customer is not paying any commission to affiliate. So they have no problem. So what they do is just get the information from the affiliate company. Sellers have products, but they do not get customers. So by giving some 10%, 5% or 20% commission, if through other sources they are getting clients, so it is not a big deal for a seller to give 5 to 10 to 15% of the product. And affiliate is just a passive income. So out of his curiosity and he have time, he is making some video, some blog writing and promoting a product, then also there is no issue. If the product gets sales, he will get some kind of commission. So these are the three players which are involved in this affiliate marketing. So affiliates are sometimes called publishers because they write content. They are the creators of the content. They write, as yesterday's session, we have keywords, the keywords which will impress, which makes attention among the consumers. So these content creators create such kind of fancy words, suspense words, so that the customer is getting attention of these products and services. They promote products and services through contents like or channels like social media posts, blogs, videos, and number of different content. And affiliates for bringing this traffic, and mostly they have to search as for the keywords that the products they are. So here is the source that affiliate marketing promotes a product or the services. The customer will click that link that is generated. Through that link, if he is purchased, companies have softwares that the conversions are tracked, and out of that track, the company will pay to an affiliate and commission because there is some sales of that product or services. So sellers are the creators of the product or services. They are the ones who pay affiliate commission for sales. Sellers can be individuals or companies, anyone willing to pay an affiliate. For example, there is a hotel near Jumuka. So it is now a picnic spot. Not all people will come and cook the food, or for so many associations like bank association, faculty association. So here the hotel will come up with an affiliate program that whoever will through promote my product through online or give me orders, I will give commission to him. So since you are a learned person and you have the privilege and you are an affiliate marketing, so you will promote that hotel, Hotel Chandaka, Hotel Jungle View. These products are prepared, and you have an association with them. And he will have an app where he will track that clients have come because of the sources of you. The hotel rooms are booked because of you. So anyone can be an affiliate. So you should have only what you need to have is a software to track for the seller's point of view, and the affiliate needs to promote the product or services. So very soon I find the vast changing dimensions in this online and mobile users. Very soon I see in the very petty sellers, small vendors also will come with these affiliate programs very soon. Consumers are the last ones who are buying products and services through these affiliate links. They are nothing to lose if they purchase through affiliate link. And you get lots of informations and reviews, videos before you take a decision that, okay, I'm going to purchase this product or services. So next, we came to know that, okay, what an affiliator will do, how he will promote the product, but how he will get paid. So there is a lots of confusion, like Rajesh said, sir, once if I'll browse and if I won't purchase that day, so whether I'll be get paid. Here are the three parameters. One is click per sale or pay per sale. What is pay per sale? So if you have a link and some customer is purchasing some products through your link, and that link is directly going through some kind of YouTube or some kind of software, and you are getting, and you will be getting paid. For example, I will show you one example. Can you see the browser?
Yes, sir.
You see, if I am just clicking that I need a touchpad X360 laptop. So these are the reviews that you find. HP Pavilion Lab 2 Hindi best for the students and professionals. These are all our affiliate videos. HP Pavilion all-rounder for students and laptops. If I click here in description, you can find out. You see, this is a store, HP Pavilion store. So this is the link that I am talking about. This is an affiliate link. This is a unique link that is given to a customer. So he's telling in detail about this laptop advantages, disadvantages, as if he's a user. He may be a user also, and giving comparisons of this HP laptop with different kinds of other laptops, conventional laptops. So this is the link. If I store, it will direct me to some store where that product or services, he is an affiliate. So from there, if I get paid for it, I think you see this is expired. Why? Because I will tell you why this is not opening. Yes, now you see here he is giving some information about the Pavilion, HP Pavilion, and the link is given. And if I am purchasing from this site, this mobile, this laptop, and it depends upon the HP company that what kind of affiliate program that now I have clicked, some cookie was developed now. So the HP terms and norms, you have to see that cookie will be alive for how many days. It may be 1 day or 5 days or 10 days or 180 days. So it depends from company to company. So if right now my mail ID, my information was tracked in this laptop. If I am using another laptop with the same mail ID, I will get to know. But if I am using the same mail ID in any of the devices, my track record already have started. So next time I will just see the details and I will close it down and directly I will go to a HP, but still he or she will get a commission because that cookie will be alive for 30 days or 15 days. So I have to purchase that product within this duration. In the same way, you can see other examples like best mobiles. Because nowadays for each and every student, you have to go with these online classes. So there are parents who are searching mobiles within under 6,000. So this is the video that we can see. And under description, you can see different kinds of links that is available. You see, he is suggesting Realme C12, Realme C15.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, if in some case the affiliate marketers, they don't have a website, then how will this affiliate marketing work?
No, if he doesn't have a website, but he should have at least a blog, and blog is a kind of website, or he can promote through some YouTube channel, or he can promote through some Twitter, Facebook. So there are many free platforms that we have. So through that platform, as I am telling you, see, this guy do not have a website. So he just have he just have a YouTube channel. So through that YouTube channel also he is going to do that. It doesn't mean that compulsory you should have a website for that. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Rajesh.
Sir, he is doing affiliate marketing. If he is doing affiliate marketing from his YouTube side, then how will he get paid, sir, from Amazon, sir?
Get paid from Amazon? Okay.
Yes, sir. How, sir?
And you see,
because there is no affiliate account for him. He just shared the link in his YouTube
You can give
channel.
an example. I can show you that. You see, Amazon. This is the website of Amazon. Actually, I kept these things. I'm showing it. Any kind of platform you can do. You can give a blog. You can give a. So in Amazon, this is the Amazon site. In Amazon site, you see, you have a program known as Become a Affiliate. Okay, Rajesh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you able to see now? Okay.
Yes, sir. I can see, sir.
So here you have an option of Amazon Associates. Sign up. They will ask you for address. You have to give the address in which the money is getting paid. For example, you see here my name is, for example, it is in the name of Suchilipsa Das. That means the affiliate name should be Suchilipsa Das. She should have a bank account in this name. Let's say, take this example that I am making, Suchilipsa Das is making an affiliate on Amazon. So your pay listed above, yes, I will take this name as granted. Are you a US tax policy? No, you are not from US, because every country do have a different tax policy and we are not US citizens. Here you see, it is asking for your website. Website doesn't mean, you see, it is giving any kind of blog or any kind of video. Through that also you can create. Let us take his own site. Any kind of, just to show you, let's say this is my channel, okay? This is my channel. You can paste this channel and your affiliate link will be created. And you have to create some kind of blog. I think here.
Sir, you can affiliate if you have your own website.
No, not like that. Let's see. Website you can prepare, no doubt about it. But before you make your website, you can do things without the help of website also. But professionals use website because they need more traffic, and they want to sell their products and services. Let me show me a blog and also. Got it? I do not have a website, you see.
Yes, sir.
I have a blog, but it is added. In the same way, I think there is some Amazon maybe not taking the videos, but it is taking videos. Then why people are doing? Through some bloggers are free of cost. In last session, we had a blogger. We all know, right, how to make a blog. So we have
Yes,
a blogger.com. It is free of cost. It is a part of Google. You can create a blog, and in that blog, you can write down your information about your products or services. Let's say, for example, I will tell you this example on itself of my blog. So now you're getting right. I do not have a blog, a website, but it is activating the blog that I have. Then you can click next. It is taking consideration. The last time, I think the video also it will take, but since it is not my video, maybe it do not accepted it. Right? So in this way, you can create your own Amazon associate. But it has its advantages and disadvantages. What disadvantages that you have? The disadvantages is that if you create a Amazon link, and if you are not able to sell at least 2 products in 7 days, your link will get expired. So that is the minimum condition that Amazon gives. That if you are creating a link, that means that within 7 days, at least 2 sales you have to do. And if you are not able to give the 2 sales, then automatically your link get expired.
Sir,
So first,
after creating the link from Amazon Associates, we can share that link
yes,
through social media and get the customers, sir.
Yeah, but there is some conditions in Amazon. Like, for example, you should not share your link to a relative, because Amazon have a very good database system. So it is tracking every moments of you once you be an affiliate. So you see, no family member should use that link and get a commission in the initial stages. Later they can do it, because Amazon wants that you should be a good affiliator. So it is not keeping any conditions that subscribers. Simply it is telling that for initial stages, if you open and be a new affiliator, at least 2 products should be sold within 1 week. And number 2 condition is that you should not give the link of Amazon.com. You have to share only the link, unique link that is given by Amazon for that particular product. Means, for example, if I am sharing X360 laptop, then that product link only I have to share. I should not share Amazon.co.in. And number 3 is that within that 7 days, the one who is purchasing, he should not be a family member of you. So that is one condition, so that they get idea that you have lots of subscribers. Okay, Rajesh?
Yes, sir.
So the question answer, I have solved it. That without, there is no need of compulsory website. Without website also, you can create a blog, and blogs are free of cost. And you can be a member of affiliate marketing. So, so here what a link is generated. So in that link, if I'm going to purchase the product, and within that 24 hours or based on the cookies expiry date, so I'll be getting paid for the sales. Number 2, click pay per click. Pay per click, there are some programs are there, just they want to give information regarding the new product. So there are some agencies who also pay when somebody will click that site. For example, let me show you.
Sir, one small question.
Yes.
Sir, if I shared a link from my personal Amazon account and to the my friends or anyone else for so that can I get the commissions or not?
Yes, you can get the commission, but initial stages you won't get, as I told you. First week you have to make you have to sell goods who are not known to you. But once you become an affiliate, officially affiliate, then you can send your link through WhatsApp, through Facebook, through Amazon, through any other sources. And if they purchase the products through your link, then you will be getting paid. Okay, Rajesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll be showing other examples because if we'll be hurry, then maybe we'll be missing so many points. I'll be showing all examples one by one in detail. So pay per click means what? There are some sites are there where a new product is coming and they want that, they do not want sales, just they want that the people should know our product, identify our product. Windows 11, when it comes, it's if it has an affiliate program, they say that okay, a new website or some new blog will come, and if you click so many, it has some paid for it. Pay per lead means if you will get customers information, then sometimes you will be getting. Now you see, in last class we have discussed that the admissions process were totally online nowadays, even for filling up the application forms and everything. There are so many companies like Shiksha.com who promotes the colleges and universities. So what Shiksha.com does, that out of it, it is an affiliate, right? So it gives that the best universities in, according to NHRD, the best universities in India, best university in Odisha, best university in Berhampur. So it does that. So when somebody will click on the site, his information is getting recorded. So these leads, they will give to the company who are giving their services. So here, this is an example of pay per lead. So the customer may purchase, may not purchase. If I'm giving the information that he have searched for this kind of item or product, then there are some companies who also pay per lead. But among all these three, the popular one is pay per sale. If a customer is purchasing your product or services, then obviously 100% chances that you will be getting paid. But there are some companies who also pay for click and pay per lead also. So you see, this is one of the example of pay per click. Suddenly you will find a small advertisement which says that forget expensive solars, do this. So now people are worried, we do not have electricity, electricity charges are very high. Somebody is telling that forget the expensive solars, do this. That means if 1 lakh people, customers, or 10,000 customers, if they click, that company will be getting paid who have done this advertisement. In this advertisement, there will be information, maybe some of the alternatives of these expensive solars. It will be there. So this is one kind of affiliate marketing, an example of pay per click. So what are the different common types of affiliate marketing? First one, as I told you, of blogging. So there are different channels of blogging. Blogging means, for example, you have to find your own passion and a different segment in which you like to write for. So through that, you can also do affiliate marketing. Influencer marketing, you are a very good influencer or motivational speaker, or you are a good doctor or a yoga expert. He or she will tell on yoga and tell about the benefits or the products that is very good. With the links, it will be given. So he can influence the product markets. Paid search microsites, email marketing, coupon sites, mass media sites. These are the different common channels through which you can do your affiliate marketing. Let me bring with first example is blogging. Blogging helps affiliate rank in search engine results and can drive traffic among. Through bloggers, we'll use reviews, we can write tutorials, we can write how to use that product, and where I'm, for example, I'm interested in writing traveling. I'm a good traveler. So out of my curiosity of traveling, so if I think that if I travel some places, so I can, let me show you my blog. Very recently, I went to Mahendragiri Hills. Mahendragiri Hills is 1,500 meters above sea level. And it is a very good place for, as I have written here, you see, for trekking. So I found that in website that now people are very much fond of the hobby known as trekking. They go to high mountains to travel, maybe because of peace of mind or something. And I found an opportunity here in Odisha, that we have a mountain of Mahendragiri Hills, which has a cultural wing in it. So I have written that it has a lots of opportunity for trekking facility because of the distance, blue sea, and the mountain make Mahendragiri trekker. I have given lots of information that how to reach this place and how the tourist can go to this place and where to stay. So here, as I mentioned, you see here I am giving some kind of hotels. So I am not an affiliate here, because but out of my passion for traveling, and that too this I have prescribed that if you want to go to this place for trekking, where you will stay. So the nearest is Circuit House in Jirango, or you have lots of hotels in Parlakemundi that you have. So if I see that if I am getting very good reviews and really the people are traveling this place, they will be asking so much queries regarding this place to me. So then I can go to Parlakemundi and I will ask the hotel owners that I am going to promote your hotel if some customers will come through peak seasons. So you give me an affiliate. So then those hotels to track me will give me a link. So next time if I will, you know, where to stay, I have written, I will add another column that is best hotels. So I will be providing the links. So that link will go to that booking of that hotel, so that I will be get paid in the future. So this is one of the examples through which you can use it for blogging purposes. But people are using so many nowadays. People have passion for photography. Which cameras that you will purchase? The mobile tools, which mobile I am going to purchase, which bike I am going to purchase, which books that I have to read, the best books that that you have to read before you die. So these are the blogs, and within that blog you can approach with the long-term initiative like Amazon, Flipkart. You can produce the links. So anytime somebody is purchasing that books, then you will get the results. And you also need. I can share an example. One of the book that is known as The Alchemist. The Alchemist was a popular book, but it was now the young youth do not find fascinating in reading the book. The book is all about the having a dream at night and searching for that dream. But when Barack Obama became the president, in one of his conversations, he said that my favorite book is Alchemist. The moment he said that my favorite book is Alchemist and he had a dream, then bloggers start writing about this, that Obama's favorite book is Alchemist. Alchemist is such a book about dream, and giving the links of Amazon and Flipkart. You see, this is an opportunity when some personality will tell something, so you can write it down and use that opportunity in creating some kind of blogs and writing. And influencer marketing, in influencer marketing, as I told you, you can there is some person who have lots of subscribers and lots of people or friends in his account. It may be Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook. And while he is giving some kind of a video like how to be fit when you are 50 years old, and how to reduce your weight, or how to read continuously for 5 hours, these things, he or she will share some kind of products or services. Let me show you a video. You see, this ad is all about 10 minutes yoga, full body stretch. So someone is giving a video that within, if you do not have time also, if you do 10 minutes of yoga, then you will be fit. This video says it. So below it, you see it has giving links. So it is recommending within that yoga. So it is recommending so many products or services that you can mention or you can purchase it. So you see, these are all about affiliates. Through video, she is a very fit person and making yoga and inspiring the professionals who do not have time. So see, through this video, she is telling that you can do a 10-minute yoga, then also you can be fit. No doubt it is helping that, but at the same time, it is recommending so many products or services that you can purchase about. Like for example, the products that is required to use when you do yoga, like yoga mat. You see, these are her affiliate links. You see, this is the yoga. So it has given collection of dresses. So if female are going to do yoga, they can purchase the dresses, costumes, which will be fit or comfortable when you do yoga. So if I am going to purchase my product here, then she is getting some kind of commission. So this is another site, same YouTube channel. She is recommending so many affiliates, the products and services of different companies. So it is ambassador. In this also, there are some products and services related to yoga. She also given affiliated of different kinds of products. Yoga with Bard. It is the book written by her. And this is the cookie. That if you accept this cookie, that means you will get a 30-day trial that how you use and the videos you can save. So within this video, she is an influencer through her site. So is giving so many kind of links through which you can purchase products and services. Paid search microsites. There are so many sites where what happens within that website, we'll get another page in which if you are bound to click. Like for example, I will show you here. So this is a site. You see, all of a sudden, if I am opening this site, I get this in my right side. So I am bound to click on it. So this is known as a microblog, where within that website, you will get an extra page which says or promotes about your affiliate product or services. So this is a very example of paid search microsites, because you are paying to the site within that site, they will create an extra website or a blog which opens randomly. And sometimes you see while we browse, we are bound to click on it, or else there will be no movement. So email marketing is a very great source of affiliate marketing. For example, if you want to get more clients, for example, my passion is the photography. So if you want people of the domain of email marketing or photographers email ID, what I will do, I will just pick up some book and I will tell that a photography book, how to be a photographer within 15 days. If there is some book is there, and I will share with that book as a free of cost. In LinkedIn, I will write that I am the author of the book. If I am the author, then I will say that the book will be free if you give your mail ID. So you will be going on clicking, giving your mail ID so that they mail ID is getting stored somewhere else, so that he will get the right audience for his affiliate marketing. Next time he will be giving some kind of information regarding the photography lens, photography cameras, like that. He will be giving information on this affiliate marketing. Open sites, every time that we purchase in Paytm and other sources. So there are various channels who give coupons. So all coupons, does Amazon has a coupon, Redbus has a coupon. You see, this is a channel known as www.graben.in. Here it is saying promoting the product of DTH recharge ₹50 backup. Amazon is 50 rupees backup. Paytm, we have 1000 rupees cash back. So this site says that, okay, these companies have so much of promotional offer. If you click on that site and if you avail that facility, then this company, affiliate company, will getting paid for it. Mass media sites, like you can write reviews, comparisons, banners, and you put it on your social media. And if you click on that, you will getting paid for your affiliate. So overall, you have to take time creating the content, attracting traffic, landing pages, or promoting goods and services. So the very best part of that is it is not so much easy that as you are telling, because creating a content takes lots of time. What people like, what do not like, what they search, what is the keywords, and what kind of traffic you have to create. So that as yesterday we have studied that if you click on Google, you have to know which name will come first. So that is the traffic you are talking about. So that your page will come first or second or third or fourth, so that the customer will click. And you have to promote that products and services. And it is a more innovative thing. It can be achieved. So by affiliate marketing, what benefits that you will get? It is passive income. You can make money at any time, day or night. Simply, you do not have to actively participate. Just make a blog. Don't be so much serious. Give information about the products links. Just go on circulating or sharing with the information. Someday you will get some kind of income, and it is passive, an extra income. Already you are doing job and working something, but out of your curiosity, if you are doing it, then it can be add value to your income. Flexibility is there. Unlike other jobs, you do not have to create, produce, store, which new product I have to develop, who will be my customers, how they will purchase, nothing. Anything, any product that is running smoothly in the market, you choose it out of your curiosity. If you love that product, then simply you can do some kind of give information about the product or services, and you create content and promote that product or the service. Benefits, other benefits about starting their own business, it needs lots of money. So before you start your own product, this is one kind of platform you can see or check your selling capabilities. If you can sell someone's product, you can sell your own product. So before you land up investing money, doing a startup, you don't know whether it will run or do not know. You just check your selling capabilities here. So selling physical products or services of other companies, So it is more cost effective. Simply you have to spend for, or if you see that more sales will be done, and some kind of social search engine optimization charges that you have to put, so that it will create traffic for your product and services, in comparison to starting your own business or creating your own product, selling. So it is much easier and cost effective to start with, and it is low risk. Simply you are doing nothing, you are just promoting a product, and if that product is not working, just move on. You just select the product which is moving on. So there is no force that you will be selling some particular company's product. If that company, Micromax, if I'm talking about, 3 years before, Micromax is at a very high sales, but today it is not there. So no need of just promoting Micromax product. You can promote the product of Apple, you can promote the product of Samsung, you can promote tomorrow a new company, some other new company. So it is up to you. It is, we follow the trend, which one is good site, and they will purchase through your link. You can promote that. So there is low risk, no losses. No customer support is required. Even if you develop a product, there is so much customer support required, or satisfaction level, actual sales have done. But here, simply you are giving some kind of information, helping the consumer and that consumer is availing the product. So no customer services that you have. But you always don't push bad products. But if you push bad products because you are getting a good commission or expect a good commission, then maybe you will lose trust in the people, and you may choose for other affiliate, or they may go with other affiliate marketing or services. Till now, any queries?
No, sir.
I think the participants can raise their queries, else we'll take them at a later stage.
Asit sir is not asking any questions. Professor Asit Mahapatra sir.
I really like your program today, and it's so well explained. That's why I don't feel the need to ask the question, to be honest with you. Very simple. But
I feel the other way. That's what I named you, sir.
No, I know. I mean it when I say it. I just want to tell you that it was quite effective, and I genuinely liked it. Very well explained. So I don't want to ask the question just for the heck of it. Really.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
I will continue.
Thank you.
So, as our topic is how to get started with affiliate marketing. So, if you are a new one, as Rajesh is asking several doubts, that how to start affiliate marketing if you really want to start. The very first step of getting started with just choose a niche. Means which topic would you like to promote? You see, as a human being, each and every one have some interest over one area. It may be photography, it may be clothing, it may be bags, it may be books, it may be any other professional skills. So you find an area first that incites you. You have a passion for that. You want to learn from that, and your expertise in that. So you find an area in which you want to promote the goods and services. This is very vital. First, you have to find a niche. Next, for example, as I told you, you can promote on photography as a hobby point of view. You can tell about, as I have expressed about my travel and sports. You see, every year if I travel to new places, what's wrong if I write 5 blogs on my experiences on that travel? And if that benefits somebody, it is okay with me. And you can also, if you're a good investor in financial products, you can give reviews about the products, which one you have to invest. Nowadays, young people are very much keen about these mutual funds, just doing very much inclined to YouTube and getting comparisons. So, but you have to, you see, it is a matter of money. So you should be an expert on that. So you have to give your reviews accordingly. Maybe you can also choose this platform or wellness topics nowadays. Well, now there are people who want to get yoga, nutrition. You may choose this area, or fashion, luxury items, online trading, or work from home topics, or techie things like new laptops, tools. So there are several. You see, when you open these sites, you get lots of information on which niche that you would like to purchase. So being an academician, I like traveling and giving information about the management books or personality development books that I am liking. So I hope each and everybody should have developed at least in the area that you want to concentrate. Next, choose a channel in which you want to focus. So as I told, I recommend that the cheapest and the easiest is blogging. So in our last class, I think we have already had a blogging session, but sir do not get time to show you that how to start with a blogging. Google has its own blogger. For others, I know everyone have a blog writing, but very few may not be having. Just I will show you. Just in Google, you just write blogger. So it is a Google site. It will take Gmail account. There is no issue, and you can open it, and it is very easy information. So you have to make a sign in about your Google mail ID. The very easy one I am telling to start with, as I mentioned that you have to kickstart. So simply you see directly you are getting a blog, because it is taking all the information from the Google mail ID. So there is no information that you have to give. Simply there is a new post, it is there. So based on your area of interest, you can start writing your, it may be, you can also share photographs, you can share videos, you can write contents. But you can level it at what kind of information it is there, so you can publish it. And the very beauty of this site is that you can do modifications as much as you can. So it is not that it is published and I cannot change the data. I can change the data anytime that I do. So likewise, if I see I have written this blog, so in the same way I can modify the language. Tomorrow if I find that some new improvement has been done, I can modify it in the same way. But when it comes to affiliate marketing, you always specify that it is meant for advertisement and promotion. You have to mention that. It is not that you are fooling somebody and giving this content. You have to mention that I am using this blog for publicity or advertising or commercial purposes. You have to. So first step I explained that you have to find a niche. Second step is you have to find a channel. According to me, to start with blogging, which is free of cost. And in that blog, not that you are writing something content which is very complex. Just you have purchased a product, just write a product review about that product. Make a comparison with the other products or with the other affiliate products. So this is completely free of cost to start with. Why you will spend money when you are new? So first you experience it. So when you find that much of subscribers and the condition demands, then you can pay money for this search engine optimization and other sites to build your traffic. Second, the most popular is YouTube. Everybody I think have a YouTube channel today. So it is a layman's point of view. Just you can make a channel out of your pills, write down health, good for health or some channel, or books recommended channel. You can share every day that books recommended by eminent personalities, Einstein favorite books, whatever in the niche that you would like to, the modern cycles for health. So any kind of And before you go across the niche that you prefer, you have to see what kind of traffic and how much competition is there, whether is getting attention or not. You forget all these things. First, you start your just writing abilities, content writing abilities in these platforms. Then we can, once the platform is made, you can check that am I able to convince my customers or not. Other channels are Instagram, as nowadays it is very popular, giving writing opinions. It is mostly of influencer influential people are subscribers to this Instagram, and they are giving their opinions, feedbacks, experiences in that, and with that some links can be created and it can also be shared among the masses. Now also you see nobody is going to search the product. If, for example, I have purchased a simple USB tool, Dr. Kaushik is asking me, Dada, you share me the link. So I'm going to Amazon and I'm sharing the link directly, because he won't go and search again. Just I will say, share the link and he will purchase the to affiliate marketing. So if everybody will ask me, then I will get an idea that why don't I be an affiliate, so that I will share the link and I will get paid for it. So this is the way you can approach. And third step is, first I have found out my niche. Second, I know the free channels, at least to start with. It may be blogging or YouTube channel, or it may be Instagram. Next, I will choose the products you want to promote. So in the niche, I have choose my area, but here I will choose which product I have to find. So you have to choose products that target audience in mind. Nowadays, people in laptops, you see, people are now preferring touchpads because they want to read. The tablet market is down. Mobile is big, but they need some kind of big screens, because the OTP platforms have encouraged people to watch videos or play video games. So there is a greater demand for big screens now. So you have to find out the trend, what is going on. So based on your expertise area, then you have to promote your products and services. Or finally, you see now what I find, that there is greater demand for these digital watches again, because there is Alexa inbuilt, their information is there. People now have big mobiles, large mobiles, so it is very difficult to take and see the instant SMS. Or so now people are instant, they are using digital watches. It is my opinion. So you have to choose products with the trends, with the technology that you have. Or you may also prefer some products which are very rich in culture, like Sambalpuri Sadi or some kind of handicraft products which are have an ethnic value. You can also promote those goods and services. Next, third is, I have chosen my niche. I have chosen the channel that I have to do. I have chosen the product that I have to do. Now you will go to a join an affiliate network. There are so many sources like Flipkart, Amazon to start with. There are n number of channels are there. So just wherever there is no need to pay money to anybody to be an affiliate, simply go and do some kind of registration, and you need to have a blogger or website or channel. Some affiliates demand that you should have this much of customers, this much of subscribers. It depends upon one and other. But the easiest one, I think you can go with this Amazon affiliate, because I made Amazon affiliate, which is free of cost as of my experience. So you can choose any one of the affiliate programs. So I have in my websites, I have given so many examples of that, how to choose the best affiliate programs. So you can click these Amazon Affiliates, or you can, or simply you go to Google and find out, click the best affiliate programs in India. You will get n number of sites and you can browse after this program. Next is choosing the best affiliate program. How to choose? Already I know that, okay, n number of affiliate programs are there, but what is suits to me? First is commission and type of amount. So end of the day, you are promoting the good or services, or you are being an affiliate. The reason is very clear, that you earn some kind of money, extra money. So you will get commission when the product is getting sold, mostly 90% of the chances. Very few pay per click and pay per lead are there, but 90% of the products go with the pay per purchase. So it has two parts, that is flat and recurring. Flat means a physical product or a services that is purchased only once. For example, I'm purchasing a laptop and through that link, and it is getting paid. Recurring means I am renewing that product. For example, mostly with the financial product, I am purchasing a insurance. I am purchasing some kind of bike insurance product or mutual funds. So every time I will pay that monthly installments or yearly installments, the customer will get a commission. But here you have to check the refund policy, because nowadays the companies are giving refund policy. In Amazon, they are giving 15 days. In Flipkart, they are giving 7 days. So if that product is purchased, again return back. So again, you have to check the conditions that will apply. But once the product is sold, within 24 hours, the money is getting returned. Again, there are different charges. Some companies say that the whole commission should be $50 or $100 so that they will get paid for you. But Amazon is the immediately after the transaction, it is paying to the affiliate. So it differs from company to company. Cookie lifetime, you have to check. It is very crucial. In Amazon, you have only 24 hours the lifetime of a cookie. But in other sites, you find 30-day, 160 days, 180 days. So while choose being a new affiliate, you all don't go with Amazon, because initially you have to find at least satisfy 2 purchases in 1 week. But after that, you can continue with that process. So that is a minimum benchmark that Amazon is keeping. So more than 1 day, or it may be 10, 30 days or 40 days. If somebody is giving 30 days, 40 days means it is very difficult to sell. For example, if you ask somebody to purchase a insurance, it may be 180 days, but it is very difficult to convince him or her to purchase that insurance product through an affiliate. But you can easily convince somebody to purchase a book or a mobile or some other application. So the one which is sold a very period of time. The products which are very difficult to sell, it has a longer period of time. Relevance, the audience is very vital here. So choose products or give review which are appropriate to you. Doesn't mean that you are getting a very good commission and you are giving preference or recommending people a very bad product. So if you do that, you will lose your customers. Not only you will damage your trust in the audience, but at the same time, you will be losing your sales for the lifetime. Payment logistics, mostly the companies will pay you through these bank accounts. Some also pay through different kinds of agencies. Creative promotional assets and conversion rates. So you have to, there are some companies which give promotional elements. Like for example, you see now Big Billion Day Amazon is going on. So it is a promotional offer. So during this offer, the company itself is giving the banner to you, Amazon Big Million Day, 10% off these banks. So some graphics, some coupons, some banners, some company will be giving you for assisting in promoting these products and services. And there are you have to see the competition also, that how many competitors are there for that product and services. When it comes to mobile phones, when it comes to laptops, there are so many competitors. But when it comes to ethnic products, products made of handmade products, very few are there. So you have to choose your niche, where if there is so much competition, you will lose the race. Maybe your product and services will not be viable to the customers. Choose the area in which there is no much competition and it has a greater demand and preference for the products or services. And create high quality content. You have to use some kind of graphics, some pictures, some right keywords, so that you get attracted with that creation. So you can go through product reviews, you can write your experiences about the product and services, Now case studies are there that why this product, why Nano failed. So what is the replacement of Nano? Who is taking the place of small cars? You can create a case study, and in that you can recommend some kind of a small car instead of Nano. Tutorials you will be giving how to use that production services, and along with that you can also give some kind of affiliate links on production services. And you can also make product comparisons. For example, 25,000 rupees budget, which laptop I will get? Within 6,000, what laptop I am get? Within i5, which laptop is coming with a very good price and very good quality? A resource page also of information and expertise experiences or sharing them about the product and service. Last is generating traffic and building audience. End of the day, you may use email marketing, or you may use, end of the day, there should be sales. So all that done through email marketing, you have to generate some kind of traffic and bring audience or people to purchase your goods or services. Required, you can go with spend some money on search engine optimization to the channels, where they will help you to put your links in the top 10 of the search engines. Paid traffic, there are people who also pay money, directly they will be clicking on that link to create some kind of traffic. Like for example, I can show you here. You see, if I am clicking ASBM, you see the first search engine which is coming is ASBM University. There are so many abbreviations of ASBM, but why this one is coming? Maybe it has been paid by some search engine optimization. So when I click IIT, you'll see which IIT is coming first. Wikipedia is coming. You see IIT Delhi. Here means maybe search engine optimization, or maybe because of website, and maybe because of new users. There are several IITs are there, but the first one that I find is IIT Delhi. Second is Wikipedia of all IITs. Next is IIT Bombay. So like this, if I'll press IIM, which search engine optimization that I'm getting. You see here Shiksha.com listing all the IIMs, which means everybody is going into Shiksha.com to check the rankings of the IIMs. Next is IIM Bangalore, which is coming in this. So through this, you can if you want some kind of traffic, there are people who always go on clicking and increasing in traditional services in a paid traffic. So there are some level affiliate marketing tips. So you can start with product reviews. You can go on top trends. You can build trust with the audience. You can diversify your affiliate product offering, and you can optimize your products so that you'll get much better benefits of the products and services. I think it is time for the discussions. Let me first come with nowadays I have in the slides I have given so many I have said so many links. If you are interested, you can click on these links. I'll be sharing the slides like Amazon, Flipkart, 15 affiliate marketing websites, Flipkart affiliate program. So you can check these slides and you can be an affiliate. Nowadays the new affiliates are post that. It is based on voice. So they'll be telling about the products and services or some kind of links, or making a video takes much time and energy and creativity. So now in US, the podcast is quite famous. It is just a audio file. So where it will be telling something promotion about a product or a services. So these are the links of the affiliate marketing programs that is there. So you can check it out. My conclusion is that change in technology had taken place. Internet users are expanding. With time, from 4G, we'll go to 5G, 6G. Each youth have internet in their hands, and any company would like to come reach, and you can also do some kind of business perspectives by using this kind of information that you have today. And affiliate marketing can be suitable income to earn money if you are giving if you think in a sustainable manner, if you are giving right kind of information. And consumers are getting information and review about the products and services. You may get remuneration or not, but you are helping, you are sharing the information. In this information is the weapon. So if you are getting sharing your information through LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram or video through webinar, so directly or indirectly you have your influence, and you are sharing, giving. It is a learning process. So you are helping consumers in taking decisions which product they prefer and which product they do not prefer. And sellers are getting customers through these affiliates. They have developed the product, but by giving some kind of commission and remuneration, if they are getting sales or customers, then there is no issue. And directly or indirectly, finally these affiliates are getting commission. So it is a win-win situation. So I think affiliate marketing should go on, and it will go with this digital marketing and digital era. With this, I conclude my presentation. Now I request all to
Thank you so much, sir. I request participants to raise your questions and ask directly to sir.
Yes, sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, in this pandemic situation, as everything has been affected, is there any negative effect over this affiliate marketing?
No, I think there is a positive aspect of this affiliate marketing, because people were not aware about this sanitizer. Many of them, there was sanitizer from years, but no one have the idea of sanitization. 1 second, I will just forget my charger. Yes. And when it comes to online marketing, you see, no doubt we are in shutdowns and lockdowns. And I will mention that Amazon is there from the last 10 years, Amazon India, but it is not successful and not profitable. But last 2 years, you can see in the year 2017, it has 20 crores of loss, because it want to stick in the Indian market. But last pandemic, you see, last 2 years, it has emerged as the highest profitable company, and with no competitors. Only hardly we have very few competitors, because of the loss bearing ability, all companies like Jabong and HomeShop 18 and many other sources of the company have vanished in the market. Now I think there is a major competition of this Flipkart, Amazon, and maybe Jio can play a very big role. Myntra is there, but again a subsidiary of Flipkart. I think this online marketing and affiliate. And secondly, when I go with ex-students, every student of me has opened a site selling some kind of products and services. Online marketing, affiliate marketing, they have conducted. Even you can I can name you the first year students which have joined their own cloth store sites. They have their own handicraft sites. They have started doing business because they have got a very big time staying in home, and YouTube sites. They have tried something to do it. Am I able to answer, Shaka?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got my answer.
Any other queries? You can please feel free to ask. Dr. Das, if I can ask a simple thing, what I was wondering, can I?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I was thinking of like when we talk about affiliate marketing and suppose Amazon for suppose, and there are one particular product is there and which is not available in that original website, and what we nowadays affiliate marketing, whatever we get into that zone, two providers, but the the MRP or the value varies, and who decides this sort of thing? I mean, this should be the the MRP is like that. In this there it will be provided to you and it's available. Who decides on that? The provider itself, or the source website, or the source that kind of?
Not direct customers of the Amazon, but there are products available. So it is a program of the Amazon itself, but it is not part of affiliate marketing. Rather, for affiliate marketing, the platform or the seller should avail that program. He or she should say that I will give commission if somebody is convincing or telling or promoting my products and services. Not that you will tell people to go to Hotel Mayfair and recommend them, and you will ask for remuneration or commission. That Hotel Mayfair should have that program, affiliate program, where he or she will tell that, okay, you promote my product, under these conditions I will pay you. So if Amazon product is available, so you have, before you go with affiliate, so you have to choose your product. So not all products comes under affiliate category again. There are very few products.
Where lies the customer satisfaction? Where lies the customer satisfaction? I mean, to that.
And ample of information in the sites, and even the leads they are getting, so they are always happy. Now I think with this online only, the time has come that customer is king.
Yeah, it's true. Okay, thank you.
I expect a question from Amit, Professor Amit sir.
Ashit sir, can you, if you can kindly. I think sir is there.
Okay. Any other questions?
I think Ananya, why are you so silent today? I know you used to ask lots of questions.
I think they understood well, or they do not understand anything.
Yeah, if you can't convince, then confuse. Okay, anyway, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, on that note, I will come to the conclude of today's session. The link of feedback has already been shared in your chat box. Kindly fill that in. And yes, Ananya.
Bad network connection. I'll ask later in chat box later.
Okay.
Okay, thank you then. Thank you so much, Dr. Das. If any question is coming, then you can take that. Else we'll finish today's session with this note that
I've asked actually. I'm not able to. Yeah, can
I become an affiliate by using my Facebook page?
Yes, you can. You can, sir. Can be an affiliate by Facebook.
One thing was I was wondering, again, out of my curiosity, that there are lots of the social media platforms of marketing nowadays. Which one you think the best one? I mean, the mostly effective one is targeting the the audience most.
Nowadays, I think the best is blogging, what I can see, because except the youth, not everyone is interested for checking the videos, content, and all. I think they need information very immediately. So these blog pages or websites, actually, and end of the day, as I told you, if you want to be a good affiliator, you have to purchase a website, as Rajesh and many of them are mentioning. You have to purchase a website, and indirectly, it is a blog, right? It is a part of a website or a blog. So there you can convince many of the people. Then added, you can also get the platform of YouTube. But in YouTube, what you will get ample of videos. So getting a traffic and you selecting your video, it is very difficult. Until and unless you are paid, you have to pay for the search engine optimization. Then only you will get the leads.
Also, this visual visual implication will also be there. In YouTube also.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay,
yes, Ananya. Yes, Ananya is telling something.
You are supposed to write in the chat box.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Ananya.
Can you tell me an example of affiliated marketing where we can target a large group of audience?
Large crowd. In India, we can create a large crowd through right now Instagram, Facebook. Within very seconds, you see, we are using this viral. We get viral of anything on Facebook and Instagram. Even you can share the same YouTube video, but you can promote it through Instagram and Facebook. These two are quite popular ones, and within seconds, we'll get the information. End of the day, the source is YouTube. If you want to make a YouTube or a blog, but through channels, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, you will get the information.
Thank you so much, participants. And with this note, we'll come to the end of today's session. And tomorrow there is a holiday, and enjoy your stay. And we'll meet on Monday. Okay. Another number 7.
Thank you very much for listening patiently, and Kaushik, Dr. Kaushik, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you so much. My pleasure, sir. Thank you.